The future of mobility is here. The Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 edition is underway in Delhi. The theme this year is to go beyond boundaries, co-creating future automotive value chain. Poised as the biggest auto event in the country, this year there are exhibits from 34 manufacturers and over 1,500 exhibitors are participating. The expo is spread over 3 venues: Bharat Mandapam, Yashobhoomi Dwarka and IEML in Greater Noida. The exhibition this year showcases heavy-duty road manufacturing equipment by Indian brands like Tata to German brands like Wirtgen. With cutting-edge technology, JCB brings Stage 5 series of equipment and even a hydrogen-powered prototype, giving a glimpse of what we might see in the near future on Indian roads.
Of course, there have been demands on how to make e-mobility solutions more affordable to the people. So we have passed it on to the government. At the same time, there have been certain demands for subsidies, but subsidies are a thing. They are passé now. We are in continuous dialogue and conversation with the industry to give more and more solutions to not only the common man, because they need to move the goods at a mass scale, but at the same time they have to be sustainable.
We're at the Bharat Construction Equipment Expo, which is the first edition under the Bharat Mobility Auto Expo of 2025, and this is a huge event wherein a lot of construction equipment, manufacturers have come together at this exhibition, displaying their vehicles and their equipments which are used for not just road manufacturing but also road rehabilitation and excavation purposes. These heavy duty vehicles herein are powered by electronic means as well, and also using hydrogen also as a power point at this point. So this is a valuable mobility ecosystem that has come together in India under the Bharat Auto Expo. With camera person Dharmendra Jha, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.